Good day, everyone. I am Brittany Baino, and I will continue the report of Christine Arobo. So, if we examine the previous films in defining popular film, as it appears that the power of film depends on the enjoyment of the public audience.
Lumbera, in a year of 2005, suggests that box office success is often influenced by the audience's preferences, leading to the repetition of the conventional film formulas like love themes, slaving scenes, and war movie riffs, potentially putting the film's commercial status at risk.
So, Lumbera states that ang success daw sa mga box office is often influenced by the audiences, nga mag-lead pod into repetition of using conventional film formulas such as kaning love themes, slapping scenes, or war movie riffs. And melodramatic plots are repeated and the majority of the film that gives a lot of impact and made every film so interesting to watch by the audiences. So nganong makahatag man sab nag-risk? It is because if you cannot satisfy nor kanang dili pasok sa mga taste sa mga audience imong film, example ani is pag melodramatic siya tas 'di ba pag hilak-hilak na naagid baya na yung music nga makahilak pod pero og kana wala dili pod na siya makahatag og impact sa imong audience. So if you wanted to make your film successful, dapat kung unsa imong film nga gihimo, dapat suit pud na taste sa tanan.
Film cannot be separated from other forms of popular culture such as radio, romance novels, comics, advertisements, newspapers, music, billboards, and other industries that may generate material or serve as a vehicle for increasing public patronage.
So this means that films are part of a broader popular culture, and these are all also connected sa ubang forms of media and industry such as radio, novels, comics, advertisements, music, and more. This serves as a way for creating materials and serve as a way of expand public support for films and other arts.
The analysis of popular culture involves not only comic books and romance novels, but also movies and its cultural business. Promotional materials such as radio spots, billboards, and commercial influence how the general public views the movie's plot. Newspaper stories, gimmicks, and posters all add to the cultural side of the film industry.
Not only the film itself is analyzed but also other issues surrounding it. So alangan sab og maghimo sila og movie nga dili uso, di ba? So gabase ra gyud sila kung unsay trends karon. Example ani is 'di ba uso karon ang kabit-kabit. So most of the film nga gibuhat nila is kabit-kabit, right? So in the case of comics and romance novels, many films have historically been based on these popular books. And even the creators who started on these platforms are also involved in the production industry. Example ani diri is sa Pilipinas kanang mga alamat or whatsoever. So, radio advertisement and billboards are broad promotional instruments that are effective in conditioning the public about the promised narrative of the film. The creation of the movie, posters, and other promotional strategies, gimmicks, and news in newspapers about the subject, actors, and other aspects to talk about the film is also an important cultural aspect in the film industry. So kanitanan is ginagamit siya para ma-convince ang mga tao nga nindot ni siya nga movie or nindot ni siya tan-awon nga movie.
The film explores the concept of idols as a medium for adapting to audience interest and aspirations, with artists worshipped and influencing public perception. The power of idols can lead to political ambition and economic and cultural capital.
So diri pod na create ang mga idols which gahatag pod og interest to all audience to watch their movies. This influenced the views of publics like impersonating them or wear like their clothings. Kunya wala na sila labot Bisan magasto na sila dako, mahatag lang nila ang gusto sa ilang idol. Buhaton gyud na nila, buhaton na tanan. So, the influence of idols on the public, particularly on their fans, can lead to political ambition in some cases. Well-known personalities, including artists and idols, have the ability to garner support and admiration from their fans. Through their popularity and influence, many idols become instruments of politicians to gain support from the masses. Idols with a large following can be used by politicians to gain more popularity and support from the people. Their support for a politician can have an impact on the outcome of an election. This is because the fans of idols may follow their recommendations or support for the politician nga ilang gi-endorse.
Remember that Joseph Estrada and Fernando Poe Jr. effectively utilized the film's popularity as political capital to create a sense of identity among the poor Filipino people. Because of the movie, a lot of other artists have grown wealthy, and they may use their cultural capital to shape how others express themselves and even adopt their opinion on societal issues.
Di ba kaya naman taan ni nila kay well-known man ni sila sa film industry. And we all know that this to run for being a president. Dili sa giingon nako nga gigamit nila ilahang kasikat pero murag ing ana na god. So nagamit gid nila pag-ayo kay nakadaog man sila sa ilang gidaganan. So, we all know in their movies, they are heroes. Ginahangad sila sa mga tao gi-idolized. As they run for being a president, they gain more support dili lang sa ilang kabuutan or sa ilang mga movies nga gihimo, kundi sa influence sa ilang pagkasikat or sa mga tao. By utilizing their cultural capital from the film industry, Joseph Estrada and Fernando Poe Jr. brought hope and inspiration to their fans and supporters in politics. Their popularity in films is naging way for them to be elected to high government positions, where they became prominent political figures in the Philippines. Thank you, and that's all.